Hello friend, welcome to you on Lamrod Academy. I am Rajan Lamrod. I am telling about the while loop in C programming. How to use the loop in C programming, how the loop is working, or how to write the code of C programming. Okay, so just see here I am showing the syntax of the while loop. Simply write the while or condition which you want to apply on the loop and write the simple braces and write the number of block of code which you want to run in loop. Okay, if you have only single line in bracket code, then you don't need to write this bracket. Simply you line the simple one line, write the below of the while loop, it will execute. Okay, how to working the flow chart? You see, first whenever we come on the loop, then first checking the condition. Here we check the condition. If the condition is true, then we run the block of codes. Whatever you write the block of code between braces, they will run the code. After the code is completed, you went back and check the condition. If condition satisfy, then once more they run the block of. It's going on continuously. When the condition is false, then you went outside the loop and the loop is remaining. Then come outside this bracket loop. Whatever you written in below of this bracket, they will run next process. And so I am telling about the one simple example of the while loop. Here I have taken the variable of 10 and while loop a equal to 20. And the loop is going on continuously, it's showing the print. So now I am showing the one example to you how this loop is working. So here I have taken a equal to 10, then I put the while loop a is less than 15. So print the value of a equal to percentage d or a plus plus is going on. Okay, when means is starting from the value of 10 and print up to 14 less than 15. Okay, so here I am telling about is less than, so you're printing 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. Okay, so if you want to change this value, if you want to directly print more than one increment, then simply a equal to plus 2 I put. So directly the first you print the 10, then you increment by 2 12, and 12 is less than 15, then 12 will print, then go for 14, 14 is less than 15, 14 will print, then go for 16, 16 not less than even is 3 time only print. So here is showing the simple 10, 12 or 14. So now I am showing about how to use nested while loop. One while loop inside another while loop. So I have taken another value b of 5. Okay, here I am putting while, okay, b is less than of 7. Okay, so simple. Now I am printing the value of b, print f, b equal to percentage d slash n. Okay, so now printing the value of b. Okay, after that I am increment the b by 1 and bracket close. So here we save. First we came the value check b is less than 5 is less than 7, then we went inside, then check 10 is less than 15, and then loop will be execute, then we will print the values. Okay, next time when we come, then we see a is 16 and b is 7, b is 6. So if checking the condition 6 is less than 7 satisfy, but here we checking the 16 is less than 15 not satisfy. So came outside directly with the loop and print b equal to 7. Then we go to 6 to 7. Then 7 is not less than 7. So here I am showing the output. So how is the printing the value? I have not put at the semicolon. So I should print the semicolon before using. Okay. So here I am showing the printf function. So I am putting the printf function. Okay. So now you see the output 10, 12, 14, then 5 or 6. Second time loop it did not work. If you want to this loop will work continuously, then you can put a equal to 10 inside this loop. So next time when we come in the 6th position, then we make the a equal to 10 and then the loop will be run. Okay, so now I am running the loop, so it will be 1. First 10 for 15, then print the value of b. In second time also then make 10, then 10, 12 or 15, then every 16 or then loop will be completed. Okay friends, I think you have got some useful information. Still if you have any doubt, comment below. Thank you friends.